New at noon. Help is on the way for those in West Michigan now hurting from these high heating bills. Consumers Energy just released the company's plan to help homeowners. News Channel 3's Aaron Dimmick was asking questions during a morning conference call. He's live in the newsroom with this new information. Aaron?
Kirk Consumers Energy is starting a severe weather assistance team, also known as SWAT. This is the first time they've launched a program like this to help people hurting from high heating bills. In the phone conference today, officials say their call center has been flooded with people asking for assistance all winter long. They say the SWAT division will better help customers with solutions for reducing or paying their bills. What's happening is the record cold temperatures causing families to simply use more heat, driving up natural gas usage by 26%. Consumers says gas prices are actually down this winter, 9% from last year. But because of the difficult weather, meter readers are not able to get out to some homes, driving estimates up.
With these, again, sub-zero type temperatures, frostbite and other things are of concern as well. So our meter read rate is down, and that means estimations are up. But our customers should rest assured that we are ramping up resources, and as the temperatures allow, getting resources out in the field to make sure we get accurate readings.
And some tips for cutting your bill. Turn down the thermostat. 1 degree or 2 can save 1 to 3% on bills, so crank it down. Keep curtains and blinds closed. Make sure vents aren't blocked by furniture. The Consumer SWAT team will go live on Monday. You can call them. The number is on your screen, 1-800-477-5050. And coming up at 5 and 6, we'll have more information on getting help. Reporting live in the newsroom, Aaron Dimmick, News Channel 3.